Okay, let's finish up the boring stuff so we can get on to the good stuff. So over here, we're going to take, and right before, after medians, yeah, we can put this underneath everything else. Const interquartile range. It's going to take in some data, and it is going to return quartile, because basically all we need to do is Q3 minus Q1 to find the interquartile range. So we say quartile data 0.75 Q3 minus quartile data 0.25, that's Q1. Prettier's not happy about something. Interquartile range data yeah, I don't see where Prettier's not happy. Let me just clean this up. This is quartile, and these need to all be quartile. Whoops. Quartile. See if everybody's still calculating or not. Nope. Oops, that needs to be a minus sign. That's why Prettier's mad, I bet. Yes, it is. Okay, 6.4 IQR. 6.4 IQR. Alright, the next thing we need to do is we need to find some outliers. And the outliers, we're going to say the const IQR equals IQR data. Now the outliers are going to be in the other page, actually. This one gives a better description of the outliers. Yeah, values higher than Q3 plus 1.5 times the IQR, or lower than Q1 minus 1.5 times the IQR are considered outliers. So that's our formula. So we grabbed our IQR, and we're going to say return data.reduce accumulated current. Or actually, no, I'm sorry. I'm looking at the wrong function. I am cheating, by the way. Const max value to qualify equals quantile data 0.75 plus 1.5 times IQR. Const minimum value to qualify is going to equal its quartile. I'm killing that thing, aren't I? They're so close in spelling, though, so data 0.25 minus 1.5 times IQR. Const new array. We're going to return the new array. And we're going to say data.map. Get a value. Value is greater than max value to qualify, or V is less than the minimum value to qualify. The new array dot push V, otherwise null. And this should be a question mark. Yep. So we'll go over here. We're going to make sure we get the same data so that we don't have the section that we had before. And we have an outlier of 99.75. Oh, wrong VS Code. I got too many of them open. Outliers, we'll put these up here. $99.75. The only other thing we could do here is just create a function really quickly. Two more. Const max without outliers equals data. Const outliers equals outliers data. Return data dot reduce AC. Start at 0, and we're going to say return outliers dot includes C. Return A. Otherwise, if A is greater than C, return A. Otherwise, return C. And we'll do const min without outliers equals data. Const outliers equals outliers data. Return data dot reduce AC. And we'll say return outliers dot includes C. Return A. Otherwise, if A is less than C, return A. Otherwise, return C. So that will give us our minimum without outliers and our maximum without outliers. That's everything we need to build our box plot. So in the next video, we'll take all these functions here that we created and bring them into our charts project, start to build our box plot.